Hello guys, welcome back again to my kitchen where we make mouth-watering delicacy. In today's video, I'll be showing you step by step on how I prepare this nutritious, delicious garden egg, also called eggplant. If today is the first time of coming across this video, you are welcome. Thank you guys for always stopping by to watch all my videos. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. I will be using onions, fresh prawns, dry prawns, mackerel fish, tomatoes, and garden egg. The first thing I will be doing is to go ahead to cut off the head of the eggplant. We are not going to be peeling this today. We are going to be cooking everything, including the back. And this is going to be my first time of cooking or trying this method. So far so good. If you have watched to this point and you like what you are watching, why don't you give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and leave a good comment. Thank you. Also, are you the type that peel your garden egg before cooking? Let me know in the comment section. Now that we are done, I'll set aside. While I was prepping the garden egg, I went ahead to place the pot with water on the gas stove. And now that the water has come to a rolling boil, I will add all the eggplant, cover to cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Next, I will be prepping the vegetable. This is called green. I just plucked this from my garden. I will go ahead now to prep everything down. By doing so, I will cut the leaf from the stem one after the other and then slice everything, and I will set aside. Back to our pot. Now that the eggplant is well cooked, I will go ahead to open it up and then I will take this out of the fire. I went ahead to drain the water out of the eggplant, and now I'll go ahead to mash this up with my potato mash. I will set it aside as well. In a clean pan, I'll go ahead to spray some olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. And then I will be adding the fresh prawns and I will fry this for 1 to 2 minutes. And afterward, I will go ahead to take this out of the pot and then I will set aside. In that same pan, I will be adding more vegetable oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I will allow this to hot a little bit before adding the next ingredients. And now I'll be adding the onions. I will fry this for some minutes and then I will show you the next thing to do. And now I'll be adding some fresh pepper, aka atarodo, the one you know you can tolerate. And then I'll go ahead to give everything a stir. Next, I'll be adding the washed dry prawns and then I'll give this a stir as well. Now I'll add curry powder, I'll add ginger powder, I'll add garlic powder, and then I'll add crayfish powder. At this time you have to be generous with your crayfish powder, and then we'll stir everything together. This is to build up flavor for this recipe we are preparing. Guys, at this point my kitchen is full of nice aroma. And now I'll be adding the tomatoes and I'll stir this up and then show you the next thing to do. I went ahead to add some water to this just to loosen it up, and then I will give everything a stir. I will cover this up to cook for 4 to 6 minutes, and thereafter I will open up the pan. Now I'll be adding the smoked macrofish which I grilled myself. I'll give this a stir. I went ahead to debone the fish. After stirring, I will go ahead to cover it up again for some minutes. I will then open it up. Now that our stew base is ready, I will be adding the mashed eggplant and then stir this up. Now I'll be reintroducing the cooked prawns, and thereafter I will stir this up and then add some salt, and then I will add some maggi as well, and then I will give everything a stir. After stirring, I went ahead to cover up to cook for some minutes, and now I'll be adding my vegetables. I will also add a little bit of spinach, and then I will stir everything together. I left it for some minutes to cook. After some minutes, our sauce is ready. You can use your yam, plantain, or even potato to eat this sauce. Thank you guys for always watching my video. See you in my next one. Bye.